Assalamu alaikum, my dear learner. I hope all are well. I'm also fine. Today I'm going to share an interesting moment of my life. Do you want to know that? If you are a student, this video is very important for you, or those who are weak in English, this video is very important for you. I hope you will watch this video until finish. So listen carefully what I mean. Actually, one day I was a student. I was like you. I was weak in English. I couldn't speak in English. But now I can speak English. Alhamdulillah, I can be speaking. But you can ask me how it is possible. It is possible by practicing. Yes, you hear right. It is possible by practicing. So if you want to be an English speaker, if you want to speak fluently, if you want to learn English, that's why you have to practice a lot. You know, practice will make you a perfect man. Practice can change your life. So practice is very important for changing your life. If you want to learn English with me, don't worry, I am always here. That's why you can subscribe my channel to get more important videos.